So in our hospital, we provide all the cancer related services under one roof. So patient doesn't have to travel to other center for diagnostic test or for the treatment modality. We are the only cancer hospital providing PET scan in the entire country. I would also like to emphasize here that we are the first center to start SBRT and SRS in the country. 5 years ago, we are providing holistic cancer care in our center.